This is what the damage to the tornado did to our cars. It was mostly from flying debris. The debris hit some of the cars and it made a few dings, but mostly the only ones that were totaled were ones where the back glass broke, or the glass in general broke. Water got inside, and those are the ones that were totaled. That's going to cause electrical problems and more. So the only ones that were totaled were ones with broken glass because water got in it. I mean, it was raining really bad. Brand new car, 0 miles. Look at this one. We just got this one in too. So it came down, so the debris flew around and made nicks, but again, the back glass broken and TO, total loss. Those are the poles that came down. The glass was cracked and soon to be broken, as you can see on this one. We had to get the eye of the storm here.